and so it will help them not to stuck up as well as grow further. So it's natural. These phases are very common phases. Number one phase is intent. Once you decide to balance your root chakra, clear? So once we decide to balance our root chakra, then we can move further. That is practice. So for practice, understand the concept of focusing. You can go through breathe video. I'll give its link in the description. So once you understand how to focus with the breath, how to channelize your prana vayu, so you can move further. So once you understand how to focus and you start practice, once you start practice, what happens? You create awareness, means sensitivity in that particular area. Not, it doesn't occur very means today, it may, but it is not necessary, or it is rare that you get sensitivity from the first day. It may take time. So not to worry. First rule of any spiritual practice is perseverance with a relaxed mind. So when we create sensitivity in that particular area, root chakra area is near to, down to your tailbone. Tailbone is the last bone of your spine. So it is triangular shape. Beyond that, it is root chakra. So when you will start practicing or focusing on that tailbone area, your awareness will not be full from the first day. If it is, it's good. So it will be you won't feel anything. It's natural. After few days of practice, it may be 4-5 days if you are already doing some yoga or pranayama. So awareness you will notice the awareness, means you can, with the closed eyes, you can understand the ending of your spine, lowermost ending, right? So that is the second stage. And the third stage, third stage is, once you understand this is root chakra, third stage is synchronize your breath with the awareness of root chakra. Means when you inhale, the tailbone or last part of your spine should go down further, right? And when you exhale, it should not go down further, it should go like this. This is your tailbone, right? It has gone down with your inhalation. With exhalation, it will move up. So these are 3 phases. It will take time. You keep on watching the video, this video, for at least minimum of 21 days. So your subconscious and superconscious mind you are connected to, and it seeps into your system, your wisdom. When knowledge becomes the wisdom, that is the point. Till that point you can do. So you can do this, anyone can do, if first stage is there. So if you like this channel, subscribe to my channel it has some Hindi videos as well as English videos. I am doing for both, so more of Hindi, but don't bother, you can search. If it is English, it will be written. If it is Hindi, it will be written there. So subscribe to the channel, and so you get latest updates, and share with your friends so they can also start their spiritual practice. Spiritual practice can never be separate from your life or physical life or this Maya. Great. Bye bye. See you then.